All the bears are partying in the Dream Factory. Lou, what's going on, man?
Hey, the bears are partying because I think they're coming to our real estate summit. I'm here in the Dream Factory, and I'm about to go into the bowels. Come on in with me here, right into the office. We're going to find out what's going on at this real estate summit we got going on at the end of September. Hey, Brian, how's it going? What do we got going? You got it off the presses here. Okay, we're going to have Dallas Ketchum. Now, he's a young guy from Jackson, Mississippi, doing all kinds of deals. But, what's the next one? Here we go. All right. Here's what's really great. We got Crazy Wally Wolford. He's also from the area, and he is actually Dallas's mentor. So you get to see the mentor and the student and how it works. What do we got next? Come on, Brian. Next up, we got Larry Harbaugh. Larry's a friend of mine. Larry's been doing creative financing, which is what he's talking about for years and years and years. And Larry's going to teach you about creative financing. What's going on? Let me see. We got Jason, the Money Man Medley. Jason does ABC closings. He does transactional funding. So for those of you that are trying to flip houses and figuring out where to get the money, Jason's the man that's going to tell you how to do it. What's going on? Oh, we got the phone ringing. Hang on a second here. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. Listen, we're doing a video here. Can you call back?
Lou.
Oh, hey,
Lou,
Chris.
that was someone trying to buy tickets.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. You've been getting a lot of calls. They'll call back. No problem, Chris. We got it going on.
All right,
what we got next? We got Dan the Crazy Serb. I can't pronounce his last name. Can you pronounce his last name? He's going to be talking about how to do internet marketing for investors, and specifically how to deal with squeeze pages for investors. This is a great little piece here. Okay, and what else we got? We got Local Lou Greco. That's me. I'm talking about property management, how you're going to attain wealth by keeping houses and not just flipping houses as you start to make some money, and how you're going to manage those things so they don't drive you crazy. Little secret here, it's the only way I could get to listen to all these speakers for free was to actually get to talk. That way I got in for nothing, okay? All right, what's going on next? Nathan Jurowitz. Those guys, short sale kid, for those people that know him. He's the guy that's doing short sales up the wazoo. Great guy, knows his stuff. What do we got? And then last but not least, we have Kent Clothier. He is out of Memphis, Tennessee. He is on pace to do over 200 wholesale houses this year, and he also does 800 sell now, which is great. Now folks, normally for this kind of real estate training, you'd spend a fortune. But Crazy Chris K, in his joint venture on this particular deal, is going to let two people in for $200. That's $100 a piece. And you're going to get a group of guys that collectively have done thousands of deals. These aren't just real estate gurus. These are people doing deals that are speaking because they respect Chris K and the product that he puts on, okay? So, what do you got to do? You got to take action now. Listen, what are you waiting for? I forgot to tell you the best part of this whole thing. You're going to be surrounded by a room full of people that are doing the same type of deals that you're looking to do or you're doing now, along with all the speakers. Take them to lunch. I love free lunches. And just think of the networking opportunities. Unbelievable. Don't wait.